I had a challenge with a colleague of mine, and this challenge was about directories on our computer system. As we are all aware of directories, when it comes to computing, directories are electronic containers that are used to keep users files and also systems files. And this particular directory, which has been the topic of the day, became a challenge between my colleague and I. And this was about how directories are created on our operating system for a particular purpose. So the challenge was thrown to the floor, and he was the one who started this particular challenge. So I gave out the space or the capacity for him to explore, so I can also come in with my own challenge. So he started with the traditional way of creating folders by right clicking, moving to new, and selecting folder. And he quickly told me that this is a beginner way of creating folders, or an amateur way of creating folders. And if you are a user going through this process, then you become an amateur or a beginner. Then he later went to another approach by using a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl Shift and the letter N, and this also creates a folder on the desktop. At this point in time, I have relaxed on my chair, watching him to explore on the computer screen. And he later on went to another approach, saying that when you get access to your computer keyboard, there is a button or a key that is called the menu button. When you press it once, this brings out the context menu of your computer system, that is the desktop background. And without the mouse, you can use your arrow keys to select this particular option, which is new. Then you press the enter key on the keyboard. Then you use your arrow keys or your top and down arrow key to select folder, press the enter key, and this also creates a folder. Then you can press the enter key. And at this point, to convince me with other activities, he went further to use CMD window, that is command prompt, which is a free software with the operating system, to also create folders. So he went to the button, search for CMD, then he click on this particular option, which is command prompt. And when he had access to this interface, which is this window of command prompt, he went to this line of path, then he typed cd desktop and press the enter key, meaning this becomes the current directory of this command prompt. Therefore, he wants to create folders, that is multiple folders. He went to type md and type the names of the directories he wants to get access to on the desktop background. So after typing the names of these directories, he pressed the enter key, and when we went to the desktop background, we successfully got access to these directories created peacefully or perfectly by this software. And then he paused to say that these are the perfect ways of creating directories on the computer system, ignoring the first option, which is using the right click method with the mouse and using this particular option. Rather, use the keyboard to make you a very precision and accurate personnel when it comes to using the computer. Now it came to my side, and I also prompted him that all these activities that he explored on this interface I am very familiar with, and I'm also not going to be on the low key for him. So I'm also going to do something to amaze him, and I asked him a question. Do you know I can use Microsoft Word, which is a word processor, to create folders? He ought out to say that it is impossible. And I said, right, let me get you into this interface and let me show you how to create folders using Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you two possible ways to create these directories using Microsoft Word. And as we all know, Microsoft Word is a word processing application that allows users to create, edit, save, and print out a document. And traditionally, it cannot create folders on your computer, but we can use different approach, which becomes some tip or trick of getting this particular thing done. So without any further ado, let's get right into this interface, and let me show you how to use Microsoft Word to create directories on your desktop background. And everything is going to happen on the desktop, as you can see. So let me close this window. Now, to make this quick, I want to create an existing Word document by right clicking, new, and select this option that says Microsoft Word document. Let's give a name to this, and press the enter key. Now you can also press the enter key because this file is already selected. So we have this special software open and we have no content in this document area, and that is not a problem. I'm going to show you the first way to create a directory using this Microsoft Word application. So the first step is to press the F12 on the keyboard. This brings out the save as dialog box. This is the save as dialog box, and I'm going to select this desktop in this navigation pane. Click here and then ignore this file name. Now I'm going to click on this title bar which has the save as name. Click to activate this entire window, and I'm going to use Ctrl Shift and the letter N. That is the same shortcut my colleague used, and I'm going to type a name for this directory and press enter. I'll hold it once again and press the enter key. Alternatively, I can also right click in this interface, choose new, select folder, and that will also create another folder for me, and press the enter key. Now that I am done with this creation of directories, I can press the escape key on the keyboard, and this cancel this save as dialog box. Now when I minimize this Word window and get access to my desktop, you can see that I have this folder and this particular folder. So this is the first method to use Microsoft Word to create directories on your computer system. At this point, my friend was relaxed on the chair and very astonished to see this simple trick. Now let's quickly jump into the second method that will also amaze you when it comes to directory creation. So let's open back our existing document, and this time around we hold the Alt key and the F11 on the keyboard. This brings out the VBA or the Visual Basic for application for Microsoft Word. And then quickly, for you not to be confused about this interface, let's move to the Insert tab and choose Model, and this brings out this particular interface for simple coding. So I'm going to type the first code of line. After getting this particular line done, you press the enter key, and you can see that we have the starting and the ending of this code, and between this start and end we are going to input our code to create this folder. So I'm going to start with mkdir, which stands for make directory. Then you bring the space bar. Now I'm going to open the quotation mark and close it because the file path for us to create our directory is going to be between this quotation mark. So I'm going to start with the C colon because we know the desktop is located on the local disk C, that is the operating system where the operating system is being stored. It's known as the local disk C, and because I have partitioned my hard disk into two equal parts, the D stores my personal files and the C stores the system files. So the desktop, being a directory of the operating system, is located on the local disk C. So we type the C, bring our colon, and bring the backslash, and I'm going to access the users folder. Then the backslash, and also have the name of this particular computer, and that is what is seen whenever you lock your screen of your desktop or your laptop screen. The name that appears as the username is the name of this computer system, and mine is BTC channel. Then I bring the backslash, and now since I have this BTC channel, that is where the desktop is located, and bring the backslash once again. Now at this point I'm going to type the first name of the directory. This becomes my first folder to be created, or my first directory to be created. Now that I have this done, you can see that the cursor is blinking at the end of this line. I'll hold the shift key and the home key to select this, hold Ctrl plus C, click at the end of this line, press the enter key, Ctrl plus V, and I'm going to change this. Click, enter, Ctrl plus V, change this, click enter, Ctrl plus V, change this. Now at this point, if you want to create 2000 folders, 1000 folders, 10, 200, 100, it means that you have to copy this that number of times to have this done. I want to create 4 folders, so this is what I'm going to have. And when I'm done, I'll move to my keyboard and press the F5, which is the functional key F5. Now when I close this or minimize this, and get access to my desktop, you can see that I have these folders created on my desktop, and that I saw my friend on the chair smiling and clapping in an amazed way to appreciate the work I have done on this desktop. So I instantly told him that this is the way of creating folders using Microsoft Word, and I want to let you know that all the process that he showed on the desktop I am very familiar with. So in this video guys, I wanted to show you how you can use Microsoft Word to create directories on your desktop, and this was a challenge that came and prompted me to create this particular video. Thank you for being part of this community. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you are new to this channel and appreciate our work. We always bring to you educational content on this platform.